14-inch 1992 Ford Lincoln / same car, 92 town car. Gotta get this light over here, there. Got your old Core 2 GH2, son. Simple. Powerful flap. Pop the filter. Money. Just like fucking butter, dude. It's nice when you do your own work. You know that shit isn't over tight. Clean that up. Real nice and clean like. Open the bolt. Going with the original OE. Gotta add the Lucas. We're at 140K on this one. Gotta give it a quick spit shine. It's been getting neglected for quite some time.